Hello friends, this is so intense. Like this slimmed down my belly in no time. You will pass out all waste build up, fats, toxins in your tummy making your belly big and get your body all nice and in shape. Like in no time. This is so powerful. You want to do during the weekends. And yeah, so I'll get into that, but very quickly the first thing you need is lemon. You need 3 lemons. We need the citric acid in lemon to help dissolve the fats your system cannot easily break down. Lemons help with that. The citric acid in lemon, plus they help to prevent fat accumulation in the system, causing belly fat and weight gain. That is why lemons are one of the most powerful fat burners, most especially belly fat burning. So once you get your lemons, you want to squeeze out the juice and don't throw the peel, because the lemon peel is equally very cleansing and medicinal for the tummy. So this is the peel from the 2 lemons. The next thing you want to get is apples. So you can use apples or pear, whichever. They help boost metabolism and leave your liver in the best utmost level to flush all bad things out of your system. Plus they boost your metabolism to burn fat super fast. So if you have pear, you can use 2 pears, or you use 2 apples for this recipe. Very intense. You get a lot of juice you'll be drinking throughout the day to watch all of that fat gone. So the next thing you want to get is some ginger. You need some ginger, like 3 thumb sizes of ginger, depending on your thumb size. Mine will be 2 thumb sizes because my thumb is really big. So you need 2 to 3 thumb sizes of ginger. This is thermogenic. Ginger is thermogenic to heat up your system, to burn fat really fast. Plus the anti-inflammatory anti-inflammatory properties in ginger equally helps relieve your system of gases, making your belly big and bloated all the time. So once all those bad stuffs, the bad gases are out, you start experiencing a flatter, slimmer tummy. Yeah, plus this boosts your system to burn fat. Like this leaves your system always active to burn fat. That is why ginger is, next to lemon, one of the most powerful herbs or roots or fruits or vegetables for fat burning. Yeah, so this is it. Peel your ginger and slice up into tiny little sizes, and you want to set this aside. Yeah, so with the ginger set aside, the next thing you want to get is your pineapple. Remember, we are making a concentrated juice for one whole day. Like you'll be drinking this throughout the day to see that magic happen. Once you feel like drinking water, this is what you'll be drinking to boost your system, like to leave your system in that fat burning mood throughout the day. Yeah, so this is the pineapple. You want to peel. As you see, I'm leaving some fruits because I'm boiling the pineapple peel. Remember, pineapple peel is very cleansing as well, very detoxifying. It will cleanse your tummy of bacteria, slowing down your metabolism, so you can pass out all waste build up as well. And before you know, that tummy is down, you have a slimmer tummy, all waste in your tummy out, fats, toxins. Like this is so cleansing and detoxifying. So this is the pineapple peel, and this is the pineapple. You want to just go ahead and slice up your pineapple and set aside. Remember, pineapple has this enzyme called bromelain, which helps to break down hardened protein your system could not break down, carbs, as well as helping you burn fat easily as well. So get your pot and put in the pineapple peel. So this is the peel from the 1 pineapple you want to put in your pot. And the next thing you want to add in the pot is cinnamon. So if you don't have cinnamon stick, you can put in a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So the powder is gotten from the stick that is ground. So you can use a teaspoon of the cinnamon powder or one cinnamon stick. Yeah, and then this is the lemon peel. Remember, we do not throw the lemon peel. This is very medicinal. The lemon peel, this will clean your tummy, will give your tummy a thorough clean up. So you want to add in 4 cups of water in the pot and have this on your stove. to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is it. 20 minutes after, you want to turn off your stove. So this will boil maximum, not more than 20 minutes. Once you put it on your stove, maximum should be 20 minutes, depending on the heat. So when it starts boiling, just make sure it doesn't boil for 15 minutes. Yeah, maximum 20 minutes, because the 5 minutes is to have it start boiling. Once it boils for 15 minutes, you want to turn off the stove. And voila, this is it. You want to sieve out the tea from the peels. This is the base for the juice. This is very cleansing. And now the next thing you want to do is to put your pineapple. So this is the one pineapple sliced in your blender. Go ahead and add in your apple or pear, whichever you used, and then use the tea. Make sure the tea cools down, the pineapple peel tea with the lemon peel and cinnamon. Make sure it cools down, and that is what you're using to blend up your ingredients with. So no pure water. That acts as the water for boiling this and making it so powerful and concentrated. Yeah, so remember, we do not add the juice. The lemon juice is still down waiting to add after we are done with this. So make sure you watch till the end, so you see how you add the ingredients to get this work really good. So go ahead and squeeze out the juice. Once you blend, you want to squeeze out the juice from you want to squeeze out the juice and separate the fiber from the juice. Remember, we don't throw our fiber here. We add in a fruit to have it as our breakfast smoothie. Don't throw that raw fish. That raw fish is like very less calories you're putting in your system, but filling your system up. That way your system does not have calories to break down, but rather breaking down fat for you. That is the secret to eating raw fish, because raw fish is less calorie. You don't want calories in your system, rather you want to so this is the raw fish. Add in a banana, any fruit of your choice, and now you want to add in the juice of the lemon and give this a good mix, and you're good. So go ahead and pour in your liter and have some to drink throughout the day, like you're drinking it throughout the day. And now this is day 2. That was day 1. Remember, we do our recipes for 2 days so we can get the benefits. Like I always do this on weekends. Like weekends, Fridays, Saturdays are the days I do my fat burning, because if I have to poo everything, I should be in my house pooping all the bad stuffs out. And talking of pooping, cabbage helps you pass out anything in your tummy that is not needed. You see all the waste build up, fats, toxins. Cabbage helps you to pass everything all out. So this is one cabbage you want to slice up and wash thoroughly. I always wash my cabbage with some vinegar, so it is really clean and healthy for consumption. So once you wash your cabbage, you want to set out. Cruciferous vegetables like cabbage cleanse your tummy real good. And the next thing I add is some lemon. I love me some lemons because they help your system to dissolve fats your system naturally could not do. So this boosts your metabolism, boosts your system to burn fat. So what you want to do is to get your lemon and slice up the lemon into tiny little sizes and set that aside. Now once you slice your lemon, you set it aside. The next thing you want to get is some pineapple. Yes, pineapples are very good when it comes to breaking down fats in your system, most especially protein and carbs your system could not break down. Pineapple is bromelain based. That enzyme helps to break down protein your system could not break down, carbs in your system, and boost your system to burn fat, most especially that middle part of the pineapple. So this is the pineapple you want to slice up. Plus, pineapples bring in flavor in this recipe. Pineapple plus cabbage, you're drinking this, you feel like so tasteful and so good. So the next thing I add is ginger. This is like 2 thumb sizes of ginger, but this is my thumb. This is my thumb because I have large fingers. So you want to get a thumb size or 2 thumb sizes depending on your fingers. Maximum should be 2 thumb sizes of ginger. You want to peel and slice up into tiny little sizes as well. Ginger is thermogenic to heat up your system, to burn fat, plus it helps to relieve gases from your tummy, making you bloated and having a big tummy all the time and facing difficulties to poo poo. This helps you to poo poo everything all out. Yeah, you want to poo poo because when you don't poo, you store a lot of waste in your tummy, making your tummy so big. So poo poo all the bad stuffs out and watch that tummy all gone. And ginger plus cabbage, pineapple and lemon will do that magic for you. Now the next thing you want to do, these are the ingredients. You want to get your blender. Go ahead and add the ingredients in the blender. The cabbage, you want to add the cabbage. You want to add in the ginger, the thumb size of ginger. Add in your lemon and the pineapple. So that is like half the pineapple, and you want to add in 4 cups of water to blend this with. So add in 4 cups of water and have this blend until it is nice and smooth. Yeah, so blend so we can get the juice out of this. And trust me, this is the best raw fish for fat burning. Once you blend and get the juice, don't throw this particular raw fish. This raw fish, you just need to add banana in the raw fish and eat as your fat burning breakfast smoothie. Don't throw that raw fish. I've shared a lot of ways you can use your raw fish, but just to make it easy, add banana in this raw fish and voila. So this is the juice. Go ahead and drink it throughout day 2. This is what you'll be drinking throughout day 2 and watch the magic happen. So assuming this is Saturday, this is what you'll be drinking on Saturday. The first one was Friday. This is Saturday throughout the day, and watch the magic happen. Watch that belly fat all gone and you come back thanking me. I'll be waiting for your feedback and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and bye.